we're talking about credit, and you probably are wondering, well, how do I see what my credit score is? There's a couple places you can go. You can go, and this is when I get into the credit versus FICO score difference.
Okay.
You can go to Equifax. You can go to Experian. These are the credit bureaus, and they'll give you a score, but it might be your credit score, not necessarily your FICO score, what the mortgage lenders are looking for. You can also go to annualcreditreport.com, and they'll give you a copy of it for free. And you can also come to us at HomeQuest Mortgage, and we can give you your mortgage lending score, your FICO score.
When you're getting a mortgage, we're pulling a credit, and it's a FICO Model 8 score that we're looking for, if I remember correctly. So if you went to get a credit card, it'd be a different model. If you went to get a car loan, it'd be a different model. But you can get a sense of where your credit is, but it may not be the exact same that we would look at as a mortgage lender. If you want to know what your FICO score is for a mortgage, give us a call. We can do a soft pull credit report. It's not going to affect your credit. It is not used for the official credit report, but we'll let you know exactly where you're at and if you need to do something, and we can help you, advise you there.
Yeah. One thing that we don't recommend is going to freecreditreport.com. It says it's free, and it probably is. The only issue is they're collecting your information and then they'll sell it. So you'll be hearing from them all the time, every time you're looking to buy something, or you just receive a lot of solicitations that you're probably not looking for. So why should you check your credit score? One, it's the first question we're going to ask. Not just us, but any lender is going to ask. It can also help you be aware of kind of where you're at, where you're sitting, if things have improved or not. You know, if your score's gone up or down based on your utilization, or your payment history and things like that. The other really big thing is it can help you detect any accurate or incomplete information. Credit reports they're not always accurate. If you make your payment one day, it takes a couple of days for it to refresh and then to actively show. So sometimes they're not 100% accurate all the time, but sometimes people see, I don't know if we've had a client see it yet, but sometimes they'll see lines open that they didn't open. Credit scores can also be really good to help you detect any fraud on your account.
Right. And there is a government website that was set up, annualcreditreport.com. And that is for each of the 3 different bureaus. You can pull each individually, or you can do it all 3 at the same time. And if you did it every 3 months or every 4 months and just did one bureau, you can check your own credit to see if there's anything that is not correct or fraudulent. And it's easy to do, and it's free.